I shall put them in camera.
And who do you have with you today?
Cookies.
We're going to make cookies, but who's with you making cookies today?
Scarlet.
Scarlet! And we're going to make what type of cookies today? Rabbits and chickens for Easter. Before we make cookies, we must
Wash your hands.
wash our hands. We're getting us some soap to wash our hands.
Get one.
We'll get Scar here in a second.
Okay.
Here we go. Get some soap. Good job.
Okay.
Now we're going to rinse our hands in the water.
Now you, Mommy. You need to wash your hands, Amber.
Yep, Scar's washing her hands in the water.
You too.
Get your hands washed. Get you some soap, Shannon. Washing our hands. Good job. Getting those hands all cleaned. Okay.
I need one.
Need more water to wash them hands.
Yeah.
Your nails look good from yesterday.
Yep. Now have to wash it from it.
Well, I don't think we need to wash it from that. All right, girls, y'all ready to dry your hands?
Wait, I want to wash my hands all clean.
Are they clean yet?
Yeah.
How long should you wash your hands for?
From the tail.
Huh?
So long.
So long?
Yes, sir.
Long enough to say the ABCs?
Yeah.
Good job. Scar's getting her hands washed. All right, it's time to dry. Drying our hands. Good job. Here, Scar, dry your hands.
Who chose that? Who chose that?
Mommy's. All right, let's hop up on the table there. We got the cookies, and which one is Shannon's and Scarlett's? The bunnies are Shannon's, and the little chickens are Scarlett's. What color's the bunny on there, Shannon?
Pink.
Pink. Is he happy or sad?
Happy.
He's happy. What you got there, Scarlett? Chickens. Look at them little chickens. Oh my goodness, you're tearing right into it. The chicken is yellow with a pink egg.
I don't see what's my father say on the house.
And it says that these cookies are safe to eat raw. I'm sure they will have one apiece.
Mommy, mine is happy.
Yeah, they're happy rabbits.
I never one. Happy birthday to us. Happy
Birthday to us. Whose birthday is it?
birthday to us.
Is it our birthday? I don't think so.
Look, Scully is mad.
Hers is mad.
Yeah, mine is happy.
I don't even think Scar's chickens are mad.
Mommy, it's squish, squish, my cookie.
Those are your bunny cookies?
Yeah.
All right, it's time to turn on the oven, and it says that it needs to be at 350. You ready to turn on the oven?
Yeah.
All right, girls, let's turn on the oven.
I want to taste it.
We will. Let's turn the oven on first, okay? First thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the bake button.
Can we chip?
All right, Mommy, do it. Bake. It's already set on 350, so we're going to start. Now the oven is preheating, so it's getting ready to... What?
On this one, on this one.
No, we're not cooking them up there.
Where? Hey,
All right.
just started down there.
Yep, we're gonna be cooking them in the oven. Y'all ready?
That's
We got our cooking sheet.
Yep.
And our cookies. We gotta get them open.
Help me open it.
We're gonna do half of Shannon's and half of Scarlett's.
What?
You got it situated yet?
Yep.
Looks good there?
Yep.
All right, let's get these packages opened.
Birthday to
Okay, we ready to get these cookies on the sheet? Looks like Scarlett's done started.
No, I started. Mine go up there. Oh, better.
Looks like Scarlett thought about it.
And me too.
You too? Was you thinking about eating one?
Yeah.
You was.
Hey, I want to taste one.
Yeah, you can have one.
Hey, I want to eat this bunny rabbit.
All right, try him out. See what he tastes like.
Good.
Good? That one looks good, Scarlett. Was it good? Was it good?
Here,
No?
taste it.
It is good. That's good.
Mine go.
All right, Scarlett. You taking bites out of every single one of them?
Hey, my bunny's happy because it was in there.
Okay, I think we got way too many cookies on that cookie sheet.
Well, I need more in there.
Okay. Get them put on there.
Look, Sky did it.
Yeah, she got her cookies on there.
Yep. Now with me. Right there's the door. And here's the other one there. Hey, Sky touched my rabbit.
It's okay.
Sky's go right there. And hers go right there. Look,
All empty. Now it's time to put these in the oven.
now I have to get this one too. I need that one. And Sky's chicken. I want Sky's chicken. Now I need this one. It go right there. Now I need this chicken. Beautiful. Now I get other rabbit. And that's all I get.
All right, ladies. Let's get these in the oven. Sound good?
Yeah. First, here.
Thank you. What y'all doing?
Chopping it.
Chopping it.
Yeah.
Ain't you gonna eat that?
And I chop it when I eat it.
You chop it when you eat it.
Yeah, and I get it. It's still get it.
You better eat that, Shannon.
I chopping it. What's this?
Whoa. What did happen to the bunny?
It's okay to my bunny.
Doing the same to the chicken?
Yeah, like my bunny. Hey, it's okay.
Yeah, they're not shaped like bunnies and chickens no more, are they?
Nah.
Looks like y'all's enjoying them.
Yeah. It's done.
The oven's ready. Let's put them in.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Not that high. Cookies to bake. We're going to play with what, Shannon? What are you playing with? What's it called?
Blocks.
Blocks. What y'all going to build?
A castle.
A castle?
Not gonna build it like that.
Wow, that's nice. You ready to look at the cookies, Shannon?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's check out our cookies. Well, they turned out pretty good. There's one that Scarlett took a bite out of.
And me too.
And Shannon too. But they turned out great. All right, let's get down and eat one of these cookies after they cool off.
Hey,
Huh?
let's put salt on them. And let's eat it, okay, with salt.
We don't eat no salt on no sugar cookie.
I want that one, that one, that one.
No, we ain't doing that.
Yes.
Let's let these cookies cool off and we'll have one. Sound good?
Yeah, I will show my families.
Thank you for sharing. It's always fun to try out the cookies.
Like they were on my rabbit.
What do y'all think about them?
Super.
Super. Good job. Hit that like button and subscribe. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Scarlett, can you say bye?
Bye. Thank you, Mickey